Hi guys, so this is a day in my life as a senior high school student. Exam day na. Kaya papunta na ako ng school guys dahil exam namin ngayon and first day pa lang to. Okay, so tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go. So dito guys, pinuntahan ko si Nico dahil sabay kami papasok ng school. Ayan, makikita niyo siya dyan mamaya. Ito yung kaibigan kong si Nico guys. Ay. Gago vlog ko. Sa part na to guys ay humanap kami ng masasakyan namin papuntang school. Ayan. Ayan, gilaan. Papuntang school. Ayan na guys. Kami na lang, tabak na. Pero na. Ayan guys, dito na kami guys. Yan. Samahan nyo kami guys, papunta ng room. So ayan, umakyat na kami dito. Dahil medyo late na rin kami na. So ito nga pa yung hallway namin guys. Second floor yan, building 1. Yan. Hindi ka malabayan? Nakapasok na ako ng room guys and magti-take lang kami ng first subject namin dito at saka second subject. Yan. Hindi ko na na-videoan guys yung pagtapos namin ng exam ng second subject at saka first subject. Pero dito ay recess na. At yan. Pumunta kami ng cafeteria guys at bumili. Yan. Samahan nyo kami guys. So guys, binili ko turon. No. Sarap. Yan na. Nga. Ha? So dito, bumalik na ako ng room dahil magti-take na kami ng aming third subject at saka fourth subject, no? Ayan. Yan sila guys, oh. Pupogi. Yan guys, tapos na exam. Day 1 ng exam, tapos
Day
na.
Day 1 of exam, stay tuned for more.
Yan sila guys, oh.
Exam day 2 coming soon. Get it now.
What the dog doing?
Okay, Louie, now take your recess.
Guys, this is na guys. Let's go.
Exam day 2.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ano na guys? This is na. Dito na. First subject done.
Our first subject is physical science, and it's so easy. It's
sir.
about molecular kinetic energy. Because of polar, non-polar bonds,
Yes.
and the gravity of the Earth is negative x plus y equals 2.
Ano kami guys? Punta kami ng cafeteria. Let's go. Hello guys.
So guys, ito na nagbabalik tayo sa isa na namang mabuting recess. At na bumili tayo ng canon with rice with toppings.
Ano yung bakal mo?
Canon with rice.
Pero okay
Same. Ang nagpabadala sa 50, duha lang kabilog siomay. Ano na sa iya, boy?
Yung bakal mo yan.
Ara.
Uy, no cursing allowed. Okay.
Immersive.
Ha? Wala. At ito guys, yung mga kaibigan ko, yan sila oh. Nagkikwentuhan sila yan guys. Yan, ayan si Japs. At guys, sa part na to ay pina-finalize namin yung aming PT sa Physical Science. Yan, kami dalawa ni Jared dyan guys. Ayan si Jared oh. Yan.
So, napakaganda ng aming ginawa. At ito, meron to itong chemical compound, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, water H2, titanium dioxide. Napakaganda nito, mapapawaw namin.
Yan guys, ito ang aming science project. Physical Science.
Because subscribe to our channel, yeah? We're hitting 100 subscribers. Stay tuned for more.
Guys,
Ito pala nga, aming anime, Urishima Hatsuno. Subscribe to his channel as well.
tapos na exam guys. Samahan nyo kami guys, kumain ng lunch. Yan, at dito rin pala guys nagtatapos yung aking video. Maraming salamat guys.
What the dog doing?